Hey everybody, it's Michelle, Geeky Girl, and I got this online from Costco. It's their Superbox from 2025 of Star Wars. It's from Topps Chrome. This one's completely sealed. I am going to go by Costco again this weekend, and maybe they have some in the store still, but this was an online purchase. And I'm going to unbox them for you right now. Let's see if we get anything special. Let's see first if I can even get it open. Of course not. Let me get a pair of scissors. Be right back. Yeah, so I'm trying not to edit so I can just show you me opening this stuff, but if things are difficult to open, I might have to get creative and do some editing, and I apologize for that. All right, so I see these big ones, and what is this die cut? I think it's some kind of special card. You know what, let me unbox this whole box, and then I'll put everything down here, and then we'll just start opening. I thought some of you might actually want me to pull it out from the box in front of you. Probably have my head cut off in this video, but that's all right. I am not the focus of this, it's the cards. There we go, I think. Separated. Sorry. Okay. So these all have 5 cards apiece. These are something special. These are Topps Chrome. They're all Topps Chrome, but this one, packs with special insert may contain less cards. Oh, well that's no fun. So this is different. I'm not sure what it is exactly. Those are more of the regular cards. So I'll be opening this up from behind the camera so you can focus in on what I'm actually getting. All right, let's see. First one. Let's move this a little closer too. I've been seeing people pull really interesting items on Reddit. I'm hoping to get that. All right, let's see. We got Neil immediately. This is, I guess they're all kind of holographic. What is that one? It's a debut card? I'm not sure. You've got Durant. Oh, that's interesting. We got the Skeleton Crew. That's actually a neat one. I'm just now watching my way through the cartoon for the first time. No, not the Skeleton Crew. Sorry, I'm Bad Batch. Completely different. Finn. Driver, debut. Okay, nothing. I don't think there's anything special out of that. Those first 5. Here's the second. Let's drop that. The lesser. Got an upside down R2-D2. We've got Poe, Cameron. Oopsie. Coral and Grand Admiral Thrawn. Okay, I had to angle it a little bit different so I didn't have to hold it up so much when I'm opening this. All right. Package number 3. I don't think I've gotten anything extra special yet. Runa. Oh, what's this one? It's for something from the Acolyte. Acolyte. I cannot pronounce anything today. Yub. Okay. Oh, Watto. So obnoxious. Oh, this is different. Erling. This one looks different than usual, so I'm not sure if it's special. I got Qui-Gon Jinn. That looks like one of the Rey cards. And it's green. Does that mean anything? Jyn Erso. This is what one of our cats is actually named after Jyn. fact, sorry guys. Jin. Huh? She's also known as the Death Star. Because when she wants to be bad, she can be bad. And we got Killer and Big. I'm not familiar with that character. Okay. Slime War. The Grand Inquisitor. Another one of these. Another skeleton crew. Different scenes. There must be a series of these cards. Doesn't say. Ah, Phoenix. She's cool. Good character. All right. I'm feeling I'm striking out. Unless you guys have seen something special. They are supposed to have some autograph cards in here and some art cards in here too. That's a double. Is it? Yeah, I think so. I think it's the same one we just saw. Got Yoda. Ahsoka. Great series. This is different. Kelnaka. There we go. This one is a limited edition. It's number 48 out of 75. This is a good pull. I don't know the worth on it, but if you know, you know. I'm going to set that one aside because I think that's something special. The client. Ew, Ice Spider, no thank you. It's one of the Ray cards again. Okay. And by the way, the boxes, I think when you buy them online, are $44 plus tax. So I think it's slightly cheaper in the Costco warehouse, which I'll find out if they still have them. Oh, I got a sketch card. Or is it? It's different. So this one may or may not be worth anything. It's a Boba Fett. It might be a sketch card. So I'm going to set that aside to look up later. Another skeleton crew. Great character also. It's small role so far, but I'm hoping they expand on that. Oh, I remember him from the... he was a bad general. Glurb. Oh, cool. Got Hera. I don't know if you guys can hear that crow outside. I'm recording in here. He don't care. That's cool. Their Acolyte one. Hey, I got Bix. Another great series. I still haven't watched the second season. I'm working on it, though. Here we got... Wait. Oh, it is Hondo. Hondo's an awesome character. Got one of the Rays. Count Dooku. Pirate Captain Brutus. Oh, that's when she's bleeding the lightsaber. Hey, there's Ezra. Cool. So I've almost got everything from Ahsoka, the series from Ahsoka, except I don't have a Sabine Wren on this one yet. Rose, that's a double. Here, I'll just put him right there with him. Got another Ray. I don't know how to pronounce his name, sorry. C1D1. Rocking that red. Barrel Lars. Okay. All right, so now we're going to move on to this. I don't know what this is, how it's different than the other packs that we open, but we'll see. Got Darth Maul. It looks similar. It looks like it's the same stuff. That looks like a double. Cat sneezing, sorry. Grand Moff Tarkin. Okay, so I don't think there's anything special in there. This one feels thinner, and it did say if there's a special card inside, you might get less than 5 cards. That's what's me hoping. No, there's 5 cards in here. So I don't think I think I got anything special. There's Azra. Rook. Leia Organa. That's a double. Oh, I don't like when they put doubles in the same pack. Why? Come on, why? All right, let's see what this die cut is here. I've seen a Bo-Katan die cut that was really cool. Let's see. What do I got? What have I got? Nope. It's a young Lando. Hello. Die cut exclusive. Hello, ladies. So, I don't know if I got my money back or not. I don't think so based on the polls, but it still is cool. And yes, I will still buy another box if I see them at Costco. All right, well, let me know what you think. Do I have any hits in here that I just didn't realize? There were some Rays. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, there was this Ray wavelength. Sometimes those can be worth money, but I have to go through and look. And if they're not, I'll just keep them because I'm a Star Wars fan. What can I say? Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye!